Generic filters might work for basic searches, but when it comes to specific needs like choosing the right laptop or finding the perfect dress, they fall short. If users can't refine product lists by key specs or attributes, those lists quickly become cluttered with unsuitable items. Let's uncover how the right filters can make all the difference. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 409 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Provide category-specific filters for all key product specs. During testing, it was observed that when important filtering types were missing, users spent an excessive amount of time searching for these filters under the assumption that they must be there somewhere. This not only leads to a frustrating shopping experience, but also increases the likelihood of users abandoning their search altogether. For instance, a user on B&H Photo expressed dissatisfaction when unable to filter products based on whether they were wireless or not, despite this being a key specification in a list of over 200 items. The research findings highlight a common user expectation. If a product attribute is prominently displayed in the product listing information, there should be a corresponding filter. Users frequently scan the filtering interface multiple times, especially when faced with a multitude of filters in search of the specific attribute they are interested in. The absence of such filters not only wastes effort, but also leads to user frustration. Nearly all e-commerce sites are encouraged to offer category-specific filters for every piece of information shown in the product listings. This is especially important for sites with a wide variety of products. However, for sites with a very narrow product range, where all items have the same attributes, a single comprehensive set of site-wide filters might be enough. This test participant on DSW was delighted that this long list of boots could be filtered by an attribute that differentiated similar products. The options in the fabric filter on Raymore and Flanagan made it much easier for another test participant to narrow down this selection to one that suited her needs. Another user easily narrowed hundreds of hotel properties in New York City down to just a handful by applying filters for his preferred neighborhood, minimum property star rating, and guest rating. In conclusion, implementing category-specific filters for all key product attributes significantly enhances the shopping experience by reducing search time and minimizing frustration. This approach not only meets user expectations, but also supports better decision-making, ultimately leading to higher satisfaction and increased sales. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on category-specific filters, along with over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.